Okay, boys and girls, you need page 411 from your math book. Page 411. So go ahead and find that, please. 411 in your math book. 411. Okay, you can also use Gary and Lisa. Gary greater than and Lisa less than. And today on page 411, we're only going to be working on these problems right here. I'm going to mark them for us. You don't need to mark them, but I want to show you that we're only going to do problems 7 through 18. So only this middle part of our page. 7 through 18. So we're going to be comparing these numbers. Remember, we can use 3 symbols. We can use greater than Gary, less than Lisa, or equal to. Alrighty? So in looking at these two numbers, I have the numbers 45 and 75. My alligators are only going to eat the bigger number. So who gets to eat it? Lisa or Gary? Who's facing the bigger number? Is it Lisa or Gary? Who's going to eat the bigger number? On number 7, Lisa is going to eat the bigger number because she's facing 75, and 75 is greater than 45. So we're going to make the symbol for Lisa's mouth, like that. Okay, Lisa gets to eat the bigger number. Her mouth is open towards the bigger number. So now this is Lisa less than. This is really important, less than. So when we read these two numbers, we read them like a sentence. We say 45, and this symbol means less than 75. Lisa less than. 45 is less than 75. Okay, that's how we read it. Let's try another one. 80 and 26. Who gets to eat? Lisa, which number is greater, 80 or 26? Who is facing the greater number? Lisa or Gary? Lisa or Gary? Who is facing the greater number here? If Lisa chomps, she's going to eat 26. Is 26 greater? No. So Gary's going to have to chomp because he's going to eat the greater number. So we're going to make our symbol for greater. Okay, Gary's mouth goes this way. So when I read this, remember I read it like a sentence. I start on this side and I go this way. So I say 80 is greater than 26 because I'm using Gary. I say greater than. 80 is greater than 26. Okay, let's try another one. 12 and 12. Who's gonna eat? Gary or Lisa? Or neither? Well, these numbers are equal to each other. They're the same. So we're gonna use our equal sign. They're equal. Okay, I'm gonna do 3 more with you guys and then you're gonna try the rest on your own. Okay, 95 and 59. Okay, remember we only eat the greater number. So which one of these two is greater? 95 or 59? So who's gonna chomp the greater number? Is it less than Lisa or greater than Gary? It looks like Gary is the one that's chomping towards the big number. He would eat the 95. If it were Lisa in the middle, she would be chomping the 59. So it's going to be greater than Gary. So the chomper, remember, eats the bigger number. So if I were to read this sentence, I would say 95 is greater than 59. 95 is greater than 59. Okay, here we have another one. 85 and 85. Which one is greater? Are there any greater numbers there? No, they are the same. So they are equal to. They're equal. Each number is the same. It has the same number of tens and the same number of ones. Okay. 60 and 98. So remember, the mouth is going to go towards the biggest number, the greatest number. Which number is the greatest? 98 or 60? 98 is the greatest. So the chomper needs to go towards the 98. So if I look at my friends here, that looks like it's Gary. No, that looks like it's Lisa. Lisa's mouth goes that way. So I would say 60 is less than 98. 60 is less than 98. Okay, so now you're going to try 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18 on your own.